Well, hey there, folks. Bit of a somber update on this one. This is probably the last episode of Emmingers. Apparently, the sign has garnered some unwanted attention. I was just off the phone the past 20 minutes talking to the police. Apparently, the building owner, or the previous owner of the building, had filed a stolen property report on this sign. I guess it was removed and sold without his permission. That was contractually obligated in when he sold the building, or something like that. I don't know. But I have a feeling it's not going to be here much longer. Ultimately, I guess if it does leave, the main goal is that it was preserved. So I did the neon preservation did take place. It was rescued from what seemed to be an untimely demise lying behind the building, which would probably have been scrapped. So, but if I get to keep it, which is unlikely, then you probably won't ever see this video, but so long, Emmingers Bakery. Alright, well, I guess thanks for watching. Stay tuned for updates on other signs, because there won't be any more of this one. Hopefully it'll get restored somewhere and displayed publicly. Alright guys, well, see you next time.